life is so full of problems and trouble, and for some reason my parents think they're British. Sometimes I wish I was a dog.
Oh, Tyler, my boy, time to feed Fido. He's on the patio.
But don't forget to use the metal bowl, but mind the lightning.
You have it easy, boy. All fun and no work. Not a care in the... Oh, no! I'm a dog!
Don't worry, Tyler. Nothing will change between us. Except you're not allowed to sit on the couch. And Fido, you're not allowed to butt scoot on the carpet.
Chow time, buddy. Wow, that's some lightning-filled sky. Here's your favorite metal bowl. Oh, I'm a boy again. I always thought it would be cool to be a dog, but now I know I'm lucky to be me. Even if I'm not a typical kid, that's okay.
Tyler, you're back! Now we can eat in restaurants again and I won't have to leave you tied to the parking meter. So the squirrely.
Welcome back.
That was terribly close.
Perhaps we should go inside before someone else... Oh, dear.